Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by identifying fabric and adhesive behavior. This is why you heat test a scrap. Set the iron to the correct temperature and protect the garment with a press cloth. Once the iron proves safe, heat a small area of the applied hem tape for 5 to 10 seconds until it softens. Make sure to have a thin, flat spatula or blunt edge ready under the heated edge so you can begin lifting the adhesive immediately without stretching the fabric. Once you have a softened edge, press then lift. This is the main extraction motion. Apply the iron to a short section, slide the spatula under the hem while the glue is warm, and pry gently to separate the layers. Work in small segments rather than one long pass. Reheat each area as needed to keep the adhesive pliable. Make sure to support the fabric with your free hand so you don't rip the cloth, and avoid pulling hard because that stretches fibers and distorts the hemline. Finally, remove any residual tackiness. Apply a small amount of adhesive remover or rubbing alcohol to a cloth and blot the residue, testing an unseen area first to avoid color loss. Once residue is gone, press the hem flat with steam and a press cloth. If the hem needs reattachment, either pin and sew or reapply new hem tape following manufacturer instructions. If adhesive remains gummy, repeat targeted heating and solve an
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.